Okay, it's threefold as we see it. Firstly, the customers want a more and more diverse range of products to be handled through the same logistics facility and obviously conveyor and sortation elements. On top of that, they also want greater speeds and efficiencies, and also space becomes a greater valued asset. More and more people putting pick towers in to accommodate the restriction of space. Challenges, twofold. Go hand in hand with the opportunities, go with the challenges. The challenge drives our opportunities, we foresee it. More and more people are going into more warehousing has been built. The 3PLs are increasing, doing more sheds. E-commerce is driving that. And then with all that, then people are changing from local distribution centres and combining to a national distribution centre. All of those builds increase the need for automation, logistics solutions, and that's driving our opportunities. So the challenges are driving the opportunities as well. Well, again, as I mentioned before, more and more companies and customers want multi-floor pick faces, so therefore we're not dealing on a single level platform. Where generically we used to do 2D drawings, it was nice one level. Moving forward, we use a 3D software package which brings any solution certainly to life. If it's multiple floors, we can project different angles so the client can see from different aspects and variations looking at the solution that's proposed, and it gives them a good visualization of what the actual system will look like compared to a 2D drawing. We're finding that at the moment is helping some of our customers who might not always be engineering minded, but will be logistically minded, but not engineering minded, and it just brings the whole concept to life. Recent years, it's going back to some of the other questions, it's basically more diverse products, higher and higher throughputs, the requirement to get stock in and out quicker rather than sitting on the shelf. By that, it generates the need for conveyor traffic to bring stock from A to B, the replen, the picked orders to the sortation element. With the sortation element is a big driving force because more and more customers now want the automatic sortation. They don't want any double handling. It's placed on a conveyor from order pick, and the next time an operator picks it up, it's in a sortation lane to go onto a dolly and out on transport. We've had to obviously adapt. Again, because our client base is becoming more and more e-commerce based, so therefore the requirement for WMS software interface with not only bringing an outsourced WMS, but combining an interface into the client's existing WMS. So the software element has had to increase. The understanding of the client's requirements has increased because invariably the product range has increased, the speeds have increased, the footprint has increased. So we've had to develop and get on board with WMS software. We've also had to step away from the standard traditional conveyor equipment. Old school was 30 meters a minute conveyor equipment would cut the mustard and provide throughputs required. These days, 30 meters a minute is far too slow, so therefore the conveyor technology has to change, and then joining onto the back of that, the sortation technology has to change because we're not just handling a square box or a tote. We might be handling a jiffy bag, a wheel, a tyre, a box. So the sortation equipment combined with all the other technology has to change, and therefore we've had to invest in new technologies such as lifts as well, elevators to and from the multi-floor pick faces. Not only do we do the spiral elevators, we've had to look at other elevators as well, which do multiple floors quicker, or just a single more compact economic version, because obviously budgets are always things to be adhered to, while space and a nice automated solution is required. There's always a budget to work to, so you have to try and accommodate technology with budget. The IMHX any IMHX show is a perfect show. It is a one-stop shop for all the major brands in warehousing and technology. If you're looking to do anything in logistics or warehousing, the IMHX show will have anyone and everyone who is in the industry you need to see will be there. They're under one roof. It gives the visitors a good perspective of variation, and there's all all the experts in automation, warehousing, fork trucks, racking. You get all your needs fulfilled by one show. It's genuinely a good visitors reception. You get a good footfall through there. As an exhibitor who regularly do the show, we see massive footfall. It's one of the most exciting shows to do. And we're also guaranteed good quality leads and a good turnout. From a CSL perspective, what we're providing a range of conveyor systems, as in our name, Conveyor Systems Limited. We're showing not only our standard spiral elevator, which we've done for many, many years and have installed nearly 100 in the UK. We've also got another lift, a compact Mark I lift, which is an alternative for customers, going back to the economic budget solution. It gives customers a little bit of an indication of what's available and what they can do with their market space.